What's up, guys? Back with another break. And next to Undisputed, this was the box I was most anticipating opening that I got at the store by my cousin's house. Road to WrestleMania 2017 had a really nice checklist, and this was in fact the last box they had, so I had to pick it up. So let's get to it. Wednesday Night Wars. Be honest, I was a little tired last night, and I really liked what they had on NXT, and I mostly watched that, just top to bottom. AEW didn't really grab me. I did like the angle with the Inner Circle and Dustin Rhodes. I do want to see the finals of the tag team tournament with SCU and the Lucha Brothers, but beyond that, just again, not a lot that grabbed me. If it's something you liked, hey, great. But I was very happy with NXT last night. I have not seen Crown Jewel yet. I'll probably be watching most, if not all of it tonight. Very interesting that they had the first women's match on the show. Guess we got a bronze there of Apollo Crews. Because I was wondering how it was going to work out, but it seems like it worked out good, which is nice. I mean, like a lot of people, I don't think they should go there, but I understand it's a business. There's money to be made. They have shareholders to answer to. Again, I don't agree with it, but I understand it, and it's nice to see the women get their shot over there. So nothing, no hits yet. And I still have plenty of boxes to open. Not going to say what they are, because I think that'll kind of ruin it. But yeah, plenty of hobbies left. Plenty of blasters for the Blaster Stash series I've been doing. So no shortage of product. Not sure if I'll be doing the videos 3 times a week as I have been, or go back to 2, but just play it by ear. Obviously I'm all, well, there's our autograph, Nikki Bella. It is 6 of 25, which is a nice hit. Yeah, so even though I have a nice Bella display, this will, either I am going to replace the Undisputed I have with this, or this one's going to be up for trade / sale. But still a good hit. Can't complain about a Nikki Bella. Whoa. Now this is a special box. How about this? We get 2 autographs. So we got a 2 autograph box, and you could see why I love this set. We got Becky Lynch, 66 out of 200. Actually got 2 autographs in this box. That is really cool. And I'm sure I will have no problem moving that Becky. I should mention this, because I seem to keep forgetting. If you are interested in these cards, when I want to trade, sell, unless I'm going to put it on eBay, I am in the WWE collectors group. I think it's called Card Collectors Traders Group on Facebook, and that is where I post So if you are looking to trade something like that, go there. I do read the comments, but it's a lot easier just to do the transaction there. I ship fast, and I generally do not post trades and things like that until I know I can ship. I know that tends to be an issue sometimes in the hobby. People will post a bunch of stuff for sale, and it'll be overwhelming and takes a while for them to ship. I only, again, put my stuff up when I am good to go. So, despite what the other hit is, again, unless these autographs are going to count as 2 hits, you guys can probably see why I like this set. And I may even seek out more. And once again, this is why I like the older sets. This is what I was talking about. What do you think your chances are of hitting 2 autos in a current product? Probably not very good. Not only that, you got 2 quality autos in Nikki Bella and Becky Lynch. Got Brie Bella, Emma. I'm sure I'm going to be missing a numbered parallel here, but no biggie. Okay, and this one, here's our numbered parallel. DDP returns in the Battle Royal, 14 of 25. So I did not miss it. How about that? So yeah, this is, like I said, this is a great set. Road to WrestleMania is always good. I'm very curious to see how next year's set's going to be. Hopefully they'll ramp it up a little bit, keep it consistent with the way it's been the past few years. This year's set was good. I don't know that I've gotten too much of 18, so that might be something in the future for the channel. Here's a regular DDP. They don't even look that different. So maybe that's a silver. Yeah, that was a silver border. Again, we got lots of bronze. We are starting to get down to the bottom here. I think, nope, thought maybe that was our hit there. Yeah, I think Digital Slam 16 is over. Looks like we got maybe 5 packs left. Yep. packs to go. Keith Slater. Got some older names here. You got a John Cena tribute. Down to our last 2 packs. We're down to our last pack. So it seems like, definitely double check these cards. They're basically giving us an extra auto as a hit, which I don't mind. I mean, versus a matte relic or, you know, something medallion. I don't even know if they were doing that this year. But yeah, 2 autos is fine. You know, obviously, I'd always like to see a Kiss card in there. But yeah, 2 autos. Again, just flipping through these real quick. I mean, I don't know how you could miss a thick card. So there you go, our extra hit, or our 2 hits, were basically both autos. Again, both on card, both top shelf things. So happy with this box. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back.